Okay, today in our maths learning we're going to be thinking about fact families. So can I create a fact family? And we're going to be using our subtraction symbol, our addition symbol, and our equal to symbol. So remembering that we could use other words, take away, subtract, we could use add, plus, or equal to. So these are the symbols that we're going to be using today. We're going to be thinking about how our subtraction and addition is linked, and we're going to write fact families, a group of number sentences or equations using the same set of numbers. Now, if I just turn over here, you can see that I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 counters. So if I'm going to represent this in a part whole, I could have 11 as my total, 11 as my whole. I could say I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 yellow counters, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red counters. So my whole amount of counters is 11. I have 6 yellow counters making this part. This part is 6. I have 5 red counters making this part. This part here is 5. Now I'm going to use these numbers to create some number sentences or equations. I'm going to start off by thinking about using my addition symbol. So if I was to write a number sentence to match this picture, I could say 6 yellow counters add 5 red counters is equal to 11 counters in total. So 6 yellow, 5 red, 11 in total. Now I could also swap those parts around, because I could say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My 5 red counters, I'm going to write them first in my equation this time. 5 red counters add 6 yellow counters is equal to 11. When we're doing an addition equation, it doesn't matter which way round you add the two parts, you will still get the same total. So that's 2 number sentences or equations that we could write about these specific numbers here, but we could also write some subtraction number sentences. This time I'm going to start with my whole. So I have in total 11 counters. If I took away my yellow counters, this part here, if I took away those 6 yellow counters, I would have just my 5 red counters left. So if I took away all those yellow counters, I would just have my red counters left. So we could say 11 subtract 6 is equal to 5. Now we could also do this subtracting the other part. So once again I need to start with my whole, 11 counters. This time I'm going to subtract the 5 red counters. So 11 subtract 5 is equal to, if I took those 5 red counters away, I would be left with my 6 yellow counters. Now this is what we call a fact family because we have 1, 2, 3, 4 facts all about this family, these numbers here. So we've written 2 subtraction and 2 addition.